Crypto markets today. Coinbase announces more job cuts amid market jitters. Also, both Bitcoin and Ether reached nearly 4-week highs. Equities closed higher. Crypto exchange Coinbase, COIN, said it's planning to reduce headcount by around 950 employees as part of a restructuring that it expects to be complete by the end of the second quarter. This article originally appeared in Crypto Markets Today, CoinDesk's daily newsletter diving into what happened in today's crypto markets. Subscribe to get it in your inbox every day. This figure would amount to around 20% of Coinbase's workforce, which sits at about 4,700 according to the company's website. In a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing on Tuesday, Coinbase said it is responding to ongoing market conditions impacting the crypto economy. The company expects the restructuring to cost $149 million to $163 million, including $58 million to $68 million in cash charges related to employee severance. Coinbase began shedding jobs in June when crypto's bear market started to take hold. CEO Brian Armstrong said at the time that the company had grown too quickly during the crypto bull market, expanding to more than 5,000 employees from 1,250 at the start of 2021. The firm began by cutting 1,100 jobs, equivalent to 18% of its workforce at the time, followed by another 60 in November as the crypto winter grew even colder with the collapse of rival exchange FTX. Analysts on Wall Street reacted positively to Coinbase's job cuts announcement on Tuesday. "We are encouraged by this morning's news, as it shows the company is taking financial discipline seriously in a very challenging crypto/macro environment," analysts from Barclays wrote, while acknowledging that it could also be a sign that the company is preparing for a tough year ahead. Bitcoin, BTC, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, recently climbed 1.7% at the $17,400 level. BTC was trading as high as $17,488 over the past 24 hours, hitting a nearly 4-week high. Large traders, often called whales, however, are staying on the sidelines of the Bitcoin market due to low Bitcoin market liquidity. Equities closed up as traders processed Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman's Tuesday comment on expecting more interest rate increases to bring down inflation. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite closed up 1.0%, while the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average were up 0.7% and 0.5%, respectively. Ether, ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency, recently traded up 1.5% to $1,340. Ether's recent price jump also pushed the asset to a nearly 4-week high. Binance Peg Bus stablecoin. Binance acknowledged that its Binance Peg Bus stablecoin hasn't always been backed fully with reserves, but said it's now fixed the problem. According to a report from Bloomberg, the token was at times under-collateralized in 2020 and 2021, Bloomberg reported, citing an analysis by Jonathan Ryder of blockchain analytics company Chain Argos. Crypto market analysis. Early signs of higher volatility may be creeping into Bitcoin, Ether. By Glenn Williams Jr. The knee-jerk reaction to an upper limit breach is often optimistic. Viewing any indicator in isolation is risky at best and reckless at worst. A look back at when BTC breached an upper limit on December 13 shows a 2% decline in prices 14 days later. ETH's prior breach on October 29 saw prices down a whopping 22% after 14 days. Bullish investors will note that prices are entering a range of prior low activity. These low volume nodes generally represent areas where prices move quickly, in search of the next area of price agreement. For Bitcoin, that area currently exists 9% higher, near the $19,000 range. For Ether, the next high volume node area is approximately 16% higher, near $1,590. Read the full technical take here. Listen, today's CoinDesk Markets Daily podcast discusses the latest market movements and a closer look at the co-conspirators who may have been involved in the FTX saga. Crypto.com delists Tether's USDT stablecoin for Canadian users. Ethereum software firm Consensus to cut upwards of 100 staff. Gemini terminates its crypto yield product, amping up battle with Genesis. DCG's Barry Silbert talks about Genesis in letter to shareholders. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount narrows to 8-week low as DCG faces pressure. Bonk Inu to mint NFTs on Solana-based marketplace Magic Eden. But there's a catch. Art Block's Friendship Bracelet NFT collection takes top spot on OpenSea.